Okay, so as you can see, there is a sign. There's like a company that's Longchamp, but if you read it out phonetically, it says Longchamp. You can change that to Pogchamp in Photoshop. So I'm going to quickly do that. I'm going to stop this recording, go to the photo, choose two times. I'm going to do it in RAW because I'm cool. I'm on a 12 Pro, and then I'm going to press click. Okay, so here we have the photo. We're gonna go home and we're gonna edit this into Pogchamp. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I've imported the image into Photoshop. Of course, as you can see right over here, it is a PNG file. So this doesn't look as near to what it looked like on the phone because this is the raw PNG and the phone kind of like alters the colors. So I mean, it's kind of good that it's that the Longchamp, even though it's Longchamp, we're just gonna call it Longchamp for this video. Even though the Longchamp is like blown out, it's still good because now we know it's white and we don't need to do any color adjustments. It's just white and we know it's white. So first I gotta figure out what this font is. Actually, no, I don't. It's gonna be mad simple. Alright, so first of all, we have to, what is it? Yeah, spot healing brush. This is just my way to do it. I'm not a Photoshop professional. I don't really know Photoshop, but okay. Wait, what? Okay. I'm so confused. Alt click to define a source point. This is a spot healing brush, right? Or oh, it's this. It's that. Alright, never mind. So I'm gonna do this. A bit more. And it looks like nothing was ever there. Now it's just Longchamp. So now we got to clear out this end. Okay, this happens with the spot healing brush tool, but after a couple of tries, it's fine, and you kind of got to do it a couple of times just to get that blur in, because without the blur, it doesn't look realistic. So I'm just gonna try to do it the best that I can, and I'm failing. Alright, I guess this is good. So what we're going to do is we are going to do the lasso tool on this O and move it over. Control, move. Alright, this actually seems kind of realistic, does it? Okay, let's deselect this. Alright, we need to do a little more of a spot healing brush. Wait, is there any way that you can do a spot healing brush on a transparent thing? And it worked. It actually worked. The spot healing brush works on a transparent part of the image. Wow, alright. I'm going to try to do this very precise around the O because it doesn't look very realistic. No. Okay, that actually looks terrible. So just keep on doing it. Just keep on doing it. Sorry about the noise outside. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so let's just try to do this. Okay, maybe just clear that part out. Okay. Good, and then do that. Still a bit of... Okay, that's not a good sign. Okay. I think that's good enough. So let's just keep on trying to do a spot healing brush over here. It's not working out so well, as you can see. If I zoom in, it doesn't really look that realistic. Okay, I'm gonna keep on trying to go on this O zoomed in, and now there's a Q. So try not to dig into the O and just circle around. Okay, better. And maybe just clear this out. And anyway, how do we blur out this part? Because this isn't a good look. Okay, maybe just revert basically everything. Yep, just keep it at that. Now, we're going to try another method. Quick selection tool for the O. Okay. Copy that. Magic. And then just, nope, that's not what I needed to do. I needed to move this O right over here. And boom. It doesn't look photoshopped at all. So, and now we are going to actually, let's try to do a quick selection again. Enhance edge. I really don't know what to do with this. Alright, if we crop it out really precisely over here, just like that, and then move it just keep on trying. Okay, a bit more. Yes, a tiny bit more. And there. That's all we need. Deselect. Doesn't look like anything ever happened. And now, spot healing brush. Oh, let's hope this works. We're good. We're good. We've done it. We've done it. Okay, now we only have Pogchamp. We need to get that P. So because we already have a P over here, this is going to be quite easy. Now that we really know what to do, select the lasso and carefully go around the P. It's kind of an amateur way to do it. I'm sure others can do this way better. Just keep on going. Make sure to get that light. Okay. And now, oh no. No, what have I done? What have I done? Zoom in. Zoom in. What have I got? Okay, that's what we need. And now, move the P. Keep on going. Oh, wait. 1 second. Alright, move this a tiny bit up. Okay, now Control J, it creates a new layer with just that P. Now, we're going to take this P and move it over. So now here we go. Pogchamp. And there we go. We've got our Pogchamp. But now this P, it doesn't really look how it should be. Doesn't really look like how it should be. So, boom. Pogchamp. Just take the P and move it to the left. Alright, does it look good? No. More to the left. One down, maybe even two down. Okay, a bit more to the right. Okay, a little bit more to the right. Now it's just the finishing touches for the Pogchamp. Okay, now quick selection tool for this layer. What have I done? Okay. Oh no, my screen time is going up. That's bad. We're going to select only this layer, only this part of the image. I think we got that. And just delete it. Did we do it? Have we done it? Oh no. Well, we kind of done it. If you're looking at the entire image, you can't really tell. Alright, now there's one last thing for us to do. Actually, two last things. Number one, go around this part so that we can remove this outline with the spot healing brush tool. But don't remove anything else. Just this line and be as careful as possible. Okay, keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Yep, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Okay. Alright, almost. No one cares. And then another thing. Select this part of the image. No, it's not doing it properly. That's not good. Okay, we'll try another thing. Select this lasso. And can we just delete? No, I don't think that's how it works. Oh god, this is so boring for you to watch. Okay, maybe not the spot healing brush tool. I think I got something. If I want to remove this bit, I could actually do the lasso. No, not like that. Symmetrical. No, we gotta do it in like a proper outline. Okay, maybe that's good. And then, just move it to the left and out of the frame. Okay, I don't think the spot healing brush is going to work for this actually. Okay, maybe not. Alright, maybe just put that back on. And that's it. That's all. Right? This is our image. Pogchamp. Actually, one last thing. We must take, we must literally take, must lasso this entire Pogchamp and just move it. Okay, maybe select both so that we're moving all of the images And it also selected that one thing. Quick selection. Okay, this isn't good. Just deselect everything and select everything again. This is definitely not going well. We just need to move this Pogchamp over to the left. Okay, we can see that this is not working. So let's save this as a DNG. Can we save it as a DNG? I'm afraid not. Alright, so let's save it as a PNG in replacement. Pogchamp 1. And then, no one look at my files. Pogchamp. There we go. It's basically the same thing, but it's all in one layer. Now, hoping that this is going to work out well, we will take the Pogchamp, and move it over. Yes, it's doing it. Alright, a bit more. And, okay, that seems to be good. Now, deselect the entire thing. And just do a spot healing brush for all of these red spots. Yep, that worked. Let's move over to these red things. That worked. These reds and these. It also worked. And then this. Just do it how you want to do it. And there we go. Our masterpiece is done. So, basically, if we go back to the beginning of this entire thing, we're rewinding every single one of our moves. Okay, maybe not. But going back to the original image, which is this. This is the image. You can see it was taken on the iPhone 12 Pro. That's proof. We made this Longchamp, this Pogchamp. We've done it. Our Photoshop mission is over. So thank you so much for watching. We failed 3,000 times. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.